Miranda came about in the early 60s when there were extremely egregious abuses of police interrogations. False confessions were being elicited by beatings and other illegal means when police wanted a confession to a high-profile crime. In response to that, the U.S. Supreme Court said, in order to get a confession, and it goes beyond confessions, an admission that can be used against a person in a court of law, we have to ensure that the person who made the confession or admission was aware of their rights and knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily waived those rights before incriminating themselves. The Fifth Amendment contains your right against self-incrimination. It contains that famous phrase that we've heard so often in movies, I refuse to answer that question on the grounds that it may incriminate me. It's good enough to say, I don't want to answer your questions. It's good enough and even better to say, I would like to speak to an attorney before I answer any questions. What it's created is really better law enforcement. Police have not been disabled from enforcing the law. In fact, since 1963, when Miranda went into effect, fewer confessions have been thrown out of court. So when police get confessions, they're more reliable and more likely to be effective in a courtroom. When you inform the public of what their rights are, everyone benefits.